Here's the instruction how to apply the hook to the side of the magnet for the cinema vision system. Clean the area with alcohol, like in the hospital you have the alcohol pad or rubbing alcohol. Clean it very good, and then we apply a dry towel and dry the area very good. Make sure it's not moist anymore. Then you apply remove the backing from the tape. Apply it, make sure it's straight. Yeah. And hold it for 10 seconds. Good. And now you have to wait until 24 hours before you apply or hang a headset or a visor or something to it. This hook's not gonna come off again as long as you clean it with alcohol and dry it with a towel, and then wait for 24 hours. This is just a few minutes after we applying the head and the coil to the hook. There is no way to remove this. You can hang yourself to it. It's not going to come out. I don't know. As long as it's clean with alcohol and dried, then you apply the headset hook. It's not going to come out.